So welcome to this live stream, although no one's watching and no one might watch, but today we have this very fun experiment going on. And as the title says, we got this bucket here. I don't know, it's a bucket. And I was originally going to use like a 5-gallon bucket, but I realized, dang, this is so big. What am I going to even use with that water there, So we got the smaller bucket, and I don't have one of those generic droppers, so instead we have these, it's not exactly a syringe, but, it's similar. And, we have a little cup of water that we will be transferring here to here multiple times. So if the counting can begin, I will have a tab open to hopefully keep track of this. So yeah, 1, 2. Is this even facing it? Probably not. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 25, 30, 60 drops so far, and almost nothing in. So another round. And if I consistently get this to become 60, then I'll just start counting it by squirting it in, because math. $10, so that's 70. 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 97, 98, 99, 100. So we're at 100 drops now, and we have a very small amount. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so as a mathematician, probably, I can assure you, without dropping it, that each one of these has, say, 60 drops in it. And by that meaning, we can just start rapidly doing this until we fill up the bucket. And then we can see how many of these it took. So currently we're at 2, and at the end we'll take our number and multiply it by 60, and then maybe do something else to make it more accurate. So yeah, we are going to do this now. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's like 600 water droplets. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we're at 20 now. So that means that 1,200 drops in. Still at the very bottom. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. You know, someone actually viewing this stream would make it a lot better, I'll tell you that. Who am I talking to? Probably myself. What was that, 25? 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. And 40. We're going to refill at 40. Now, actually, let's see how many I'll do. 2,400 drops currently. 41. 42. 43. 44. 44 and a half. Okay, so let's see if this is 44 and a half, because if this is 44 and a half, that means that we can start filling this up with this and speed it up a lot more. So then we can multiply how many of these by 44 and a half, and then that number by 60 to see how many droplets it gets. So 44 and 1/2. Let me go write that down right here so I don't forget. And let's refill the water, which you guys can't see, but it's over here. And what's 44 and a half times 2? $89. So once we get to 88 and it's empty, then it'll be good. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Hey, someone's here. 56, 57, 58, and they're gone again. 59. You almost made me forget what I was talking about. I'm so immersed. It's so true. 60. You know, if you're still here, I don't know if you are. This entire conversation is brought up in history class, funny enough. What was it, 60? Yeah, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Yeah, thanks for keeping count, but I don't know if, all right, 67, 68, funny number, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. So we have a bit of an issue here. Wait, no, we need to get to 88, 85, 86, 87, 88. So we have a bit of an issue. The water over here is inconsistent. So what that means is that I'm going to throw away my first data of evidence and instead go off of this one, because 10 minutes and all is great, but I'm lazy. What was I at again? Like 80, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. And the reason why I skipped one of those is because like a few of those were a half. Anyway, if we can get to 100 off this. 98, 99, 100. 6,000 drops into here, and it's doing all right. Doing all right. So we got to 100 with the few of them, which means that we can accurately say that it is anywhere between 44 and 50. The average between that is 46. No, it's not. It's actually 47. Wait. I forgot how to do simple math. Let me go check real fast. So you add them up. 50 plus 44. No, 50 does not equal 44. I need to just plus 44, and that's 94. And 94 div 2 is 47. So we can safely assume that there's 47 exactly in each of these. And here comes the fun part. So 47, 60. So we're at 1. Actually, no, we're at 2. And now here comes the real fun part. Speed running. Am I right? Now we can safely do this because we know the number of droplets in each one of these. 3. 4. And I know this is really not fun, but this is the fastest way. And people like me aren't the most, what do you call it, motivated to do things like this. I think this is the 5th one. I'll just qualify this as the 5th one. So now we can stand up and do this multiple times without getting it on my computer, hopefully. So that's 6. 7. That was 4, that's 5. So this is 6 currently, is what you're saying. This is 6, right? I'm just going to take your word on that. Okay, thank you. This is 7 then. Eight. Oh, I'm getting splashed. 9. All right, we're at 10. I don't know if that's a useful number or not, but it looks like to be about 3/4 full. So we're getting there. That's 11. 12. Looks like they'll go up to like 17 as I'm predicting. Place your bets now and not win a prize. All right, was that 12 or was that 11? I forgot. Yeah, was that 12 or 11? I completely forget. I think that was 12. I'm just going to say it's 12. No, 11? Okay. So this one is 12. $13. 14. 15. 15. We're almost there. We're almost there. Yeah. How high? Let's hope my bet of 17 is right, although it might actually be closer to 18 or 19. 16. Ooh. And 17. Let me go see something. We're at 17 currently. If it is actually 18, okay, I'm just going to qualify it as 17. If I put any more in there, I feel like it's going to overflow. As you can see on stream, here's our water. So, 17. So now comes the math. So 17 means it took 799, which we'll estimate up to 800 because I put up there. We have 800 syringes put in here. And 800 times 60, because that was how many is there. Times 60. Okay, it took 48,000 droplets of water to fill up this here bucket. Now, will you ever use this information for anything? No. And does this mean anything? No. However, flexing rights. Exactly. Yeah. So, yeah. This has been CEO's stream once again. Once again, bringing no contribution to society other than the most important knowledge. Had y'all in the first half. And I don't know. I'll be online later in 12 minutes or something on average. Yeah, more like on average, considering how mathematically correct that was. But yeah, maybe even this will become. How much is one candy? Well, it depends on the candy. Like this is a bucket, but this isn't a 5-gallon bucket. From how much is one candy from Halloween? Like in terms of money or like water droplets? Either way, it's about like a couple. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for this thing to water. All right, one candy, water. Like 700 drops of water, I'd say. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for this to become 18 minutes, or no, not 18 minutes, 20 minutes. So that's in 2 minutes. So until then, we will turn this into a very cool Q&A stream for my one viewer, Benjamin Wiley. Very cool. How much candy can that bucket carry is next episode. That's a good idea. I don't have any candy. I mean, yeah, there's the Dollar Tree and all, but it's kind of stingy, you know? Maybe I can like use Legos to stimulate candy or something because not stimulate, simulate. Yeah. No, let's stimulate the candy. Yeah. Another great idea. But yeah, I could figure that out. Average candy size, whatever. So yeah, feel free to ask away your teething issues. Candy CBT. Yeah. Candy dissection and CBT. This is so true. I 100% agree with this. And yeah. Say, do you need to level a resin printer? Like, I feel like that's a really dumb question, but like, you never know. Ooh, fancy. Yeah, I thought it was no, just put it in, but I guess it makes sense. Got to make the vertical board flat. 30 seconds left. Isn't this exciting? So yeah, wait until the 20-minute mark to end the stream. You need it to for the first. Yeah, that makes sense. You should probably get more filament. Anyway, also nipple reveal when. I'll do it right now. On God. And get demonetized. So it'll be a bit more than 20 minutes. So yeah. I'm gonna be banned from school. Wait. Haha. Okay, now time to get banned.